The human brain is arguably the most complex, intricate, and sophisticated creation in the universe. Imagine being able to examine a complete three-dimensional map of that miraculous creation, including the ability to zoom in on any of its 86 billion neurons. Now imagine that the technology behind that map was created right here in Canada.
In June of 2013, Dr. Alan Evans, a professor of neurology and neurosurgery, medical physics and biomedical engineering at the Montreal Neurological Institute at McGill University, succeeded in co-creating the world's first ever 3D roadmap of the human brain. Together with partners at the Jülich Research Center in Germany and other members of the International Consortium for Brain Mapping, Dr. Evans is transforming neurological research.
Called the Big Brain Project, the map was created by scanning more than 7,000 layers of a healthy brain, right down to the cellular level. The resulting set of data will allow doctors and researchers anywhere on the Earth to access an unprecedented degree of detail and resolution, which is almost 125,000 times larger and more precise than a typical MRI. For researchers who are trying to cure Alzheimer's, epilepsy, or other diseases of the brain, the difference between Dr. Evans' map and the data that was previously available is equivalent to the difference between trying to find your way from St. John's to Vancouver using an old-fashioned plastic globe or Google Maps. When Dr. Evans first proposed the idea of creating his map, he turned to Canary for help. Canary funded Dr. Evans' C-Brain and G-Brain projects. Dr. Evans' team built the powerful software and web-based platforms needed to connect the other researchers and datasets, laying the digital foundation for what would become the Big Brain. Leveraging the power of RISC, the Quebec Research and Education Network, along with Canary and Compute Canada, the Big Brain Project is already responsible for several important new inroads in medical research into the areas of cognition, aging, language, and disease. We are now one very big step closer to finally unlocking the mysteries of the human brain, and perhaps even finding cures for some of the diseases that have had a devastating impact on individuals, families, and communities.